Today you will learn how to use a selling scalable design and apply it on other scalable niches. For example, I will take this scalable niche, fueled by iced coffee and anxiety. This is a scalable niche idea, cause look, if I keep only fueled by, I get other niche ideas and sub-niches. Anyway, I will go take a good selling design in this niche, which is this one, so screenshot it and go paste it in this Kittl artboard. You can scale the design if you want, and make sure the artboard is selected, then click add smartboard. So here you type what you want to be changed in the design we screenshotted from Amazon. Keep the same style and change only the text, iced coffee and anxiety to some other selling niche idea that we can get from Amazon. So go back to the search bar and keep only the scalable phrase fueled by to get the suggestions of what other people are looking to buy. Why not we take caffeine and chaos? Go back to Kittl now and paste it there. I feel like now you already catch the plan of taking a good selling design style from a niche and bring it to another niche that doesn't have that style in it. Anyway, don't forget to edit the aspect ratio and choose transparent background. Then generate. You wait around 20-25 seconds for the design to be ready. And that's what we got. Kept the same style and changed the text perfectly. Only caffeine here have two different colors, but that's an easy fix. Also, you can change any graphic you want, keeping the same style too. See, we got this coffee cup with the skeleton hand. It's really similar to the original design. Why not we change it? Select the artboard, the new one we made, and click add smartboard. So it can be connected to the new design, not the original one we screenshotted. That's my prompt. Change the coffee cup to a mug cup shape, keep it the same style. You don't really have to make some complicated prompt. I always keep it simple and get exactly what I want. And look at the result we got. I forgot to select transparent background, but it's okay, just take a look at the design. It's exactly what I want. The cup graphic change kept the same style and colors to match the fonts. It's also fixed the color in the text caffeine. That is honestly perfect. Now once you're satisfied with the design you made and you want to upload it to Amazon, click convert to image, instant, just like that, then upscale to have a better quality, and lastly click vectorize to vectorize it if you want to change or edit any colors or placements. So when it's ready, copy it and go to the original artboard and delete that initial design and paste my design. The resolution of the artboard is 4500 by 5400. It's perfect for Amazon Mesh when you export it. We can see how this design looks on a black t-shirt by changing the artboard color to black, and it looks even better. One-on-one comparison with the original design, and there is nothing that looks copied. Besides that, don't forget, we're not uploading to this same niche iced coffee and anxiety. We're not competing with the original. We're taking the design to a whole different niche, caffeine and chaos, with no other design that looks like ours, which gonna make it obviously unique and stand out in the niche you're taking it to. Since it's selling design, it's already proven to sell. Also, if you're new to Kittl, you can get a 25% discount on any plan you choose by using code FLIXYT. You'll find the link in description. Let's do another example with a different niche and a more complicated one so you can understand more how powerful this is. I'll take now this scalable phrase anatomy of. I looked for anatomy of a dog shirt. If you check what's selling, you'll find different dog breeds, and each breed with different funny characteristics that describe that breed. Taking this anatomy of a beagle for example, just gonna screenshot it, paste it again on a Kittl artboard, add a smartboard and type something like keep the same style and change the dog breed from beagle, and here I googled top dog breeds in 2025 to get some ideas, so let's take bulldog. And look at the result now. All I asked for is to change the dog breed, which is the text, from beagle to bulldog, but the dog graphic changed as well, which it did perfectly, but it also did change the characteristics to the bulldog instead of the beagle, which is something bulldog owners can relate to, like stubborn brain. If you google that, you'll find that correct. This design will take me around 20 minutes to make it manually, since there is more elements to it than the usual and normal text graphic design. There is only this extra text here. I simply removed it by making another smartboard and typed can you delete the text slow walk mode from the design, and it did without changing anything else. I found this AI very consistent. These are other examples I made with different scalable phrases and different design styles. I just want to show you how powerful this method is to make quality designs that are proven to sell in less than 5 minutes. This is my designing process in print on demand from now on, and you should too if you're taking print on demand serious enough. Huge time saver.